Guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at GCash. We're going to look at how to use it when you're traveling or visiting the Philippines and how to fund it with your Wise account. Stick around. I've been getting a lot of requests lately to make this video, and to be honest, I was kind of back and forth on it because a lot of people already know about GCash and they know how to fund it and they know the use of it. But I understand there are a lot of guys that are still coming out to the Philippines for the first time, visiting or moving, and they might find this handy. So I'm going to go ahead and make it regardless of how many views it gets. So we're going to go ahead and dive into it. The first thing you have to do, though, is you have to have a Philippines phone number. Now, you can use a phone number. Perhaps you have a girlfriend and you want to use her phone number because you're going to have to get a verification code. Now, if you use a girlfriend or somebody else's phone number in the Philippines, that phone number cannot be associated with the GCash account currently. So better to have your own phone number anyway. So when you get here, first thing you have to do is you have to get a Philippines phone number, and then you can download the GCash app. And from there, you will want to have a Wise account. Wise account is handy for various different reasons. Number one, I always tell people have a backup source to get money. In case you lost your ATM card or whatever, you can order a Wise ATM card. You could have a Philippines bank account and you could transfer money from your US or Australian bank through Wise into your bank here. And you could also directly transfer money from Wise onto your GCash account. Now, GCash is taken literally everywhere. I mean, I've been to the little sorry stores way up in the mountain province, and there's a sign that says GCash. Basically, it's a sign that'll say GCash. It'll have like a barcode that you'll scan. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the functionality of GCash, and then we'll get into how to fund it quickly and safely using your Wise account. Okay guys, you're going to log into your GCash account first. All you have to do is go to the Play Store with Google or your Apple, and you will download GCash. You will need the Philippines phone number like I said. It'll send a verification code to your phone number, and then you will verify. You'll put in your name, address, and that's basically it. And then you can set up to fund it. Funding it, again, you are just going to go where it says cash in, click that, and using the method that I discussed, I will show you that, but you can also go to over the counter. Based on your location, it will give you different locations you can go to, or even at a Philippines bank. You're going to go to view all, you're going to go all the way down to Wise. And there's the instructions on how to do it, though I will show you how to do that right now. All right guys, transferring money from Wise to your GCash account is fairly easy. You are going to go to in the upper left corner where it says send money. By the way, if you sign up in the description with a Wise account, you will receive your first transfer for free. All right, so you're going to do US. Well, it depends what bank you're transferring it from. If you're transferring it from a bank in the US, you'll choose US. If it's Australia, England, the UK, wherever. And then you're going to put pesos. So for this, I'm only going to put like 500 pesos, which is $10.38 at the exchange rate of 55.43. Not a bad rate since the current exchange rate is, this is the current exchange rate, 55.43. So it's up to date and accurate. We will click continue. So who are you sending money to? All right, so who are you sending money to? We're gonna put myself, and it's not a local bank, it's e-wallet. You will type in your name. Who are you sending it to? We're going to put GCash. We're going to put the phone number, which is the Philippines, so we need a 63. Philippines, you're going to put in your phone number that is associated with your GCash account. Click confirm. Sending now. Should arrive in 2 hours. 500 pesos. Accept the terms. Confirm and continue. You're going to choose which method: credit card, debit card, connect your account, wire transfer, continue to payment. It's going to ask you to verify your account that you have on file. Receiving your money. And here, your money's on the way, should arrive in 2 hours. We will keep you posted. Track your transfer. Your bank might take up to 31 minutes to get it to us. We'll let you know when it arrives. And then 4:28, 5:08, and by 5:11 p.m., which is an hour and 10 minutes from now, basically, it should get into my GCash account, and I will show you guys that. Just to show you, about 30 minutes ago from the point I mentioned, I already received my 500 pesos transfer. And there you can see my new balance. GCash is great also to send people money. You can send money by having their phone number, express send through a QR code as well. You can put load on your phone or somebody else's account. Maybe your friend doesn't have load and he gives you 500 pesos. You can go ahead and put 500 pesos onto his account, putting in his phone number. You do need to know the carrier. You will put in the carrier, maybe it's Globe. Put in the phone number. Click next. Yes, proceed. And then you can choose which product you want, how much load you want to put on here. Just the cash or an actual plan. You can also transfer money, but I would tell you that you can do that with Wise anyway. I would use GCash just for paying your bills and also putting load on your phone and paying at merchants. And then you got the bills here. You can click on bills. Maybe you have a utility bill or a cable internet or water. Click electric utilities. Find your provider. Put in their information, your account number with them, your name, and then you can make a payment and it posts almost instantaneous. So there you have it. That's how you use GCash. Now, if you want to make a payment at a store, you will see a barcode on a GCash sign right at the counter. You can simply click QR code and you can see you can scan it, or you can generate a QR code, pay using QR code, or you can receive money via QR code. That's it. So if you have questions or comments, go ahead and comment down in the description. But I know for a lot of you, this is information you may already know. For some of you, maybe you knew the majority of it, but you didn't know part of it. And for others, maybe you didn't know any of it, and you can save this video as a resource when moving out here and wanting to transfer money. But again, open up a Wise account. It all starts with a Wise account and having a Philippines phone number. If you use my link in the description, you'll go ahead and get your first transfer for free. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. If there's any other type of videos that you want maybe a tutorial on, even though you may think others may think it's simple and they already know how to do it, but you don't. If enough people ask me for something, then I'll usually do a video on it. So hopefully that helps some people anyway. For others, again, probably boring and information you already know. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.
I know you're on a roll, sweet honey. Let's take it real slow.